Oh, hey. Well, I found some spacers. Now, y'all might be thinking, well, why didn't you just bring the spacers in to begin with? Well, because honestly, they're kind of scattered around the house. So, I'm going to put all the spacers on the bottom because I want to bring the handlebars up to make it more comfortable for my wife. And the idea behind this is to not have the stem sticking up in the first place. So, as you can see, I already took it apart and I stuck some spacers on it. Let's see how that works. That feels pretty good there. So let me try this again. See if I get my stuff together this time. That's the thing. I got a box upstairs with bike parts in it. I got a drawer in the kitchen with bike parts in it. I got a toolbox in the garage with you know it, more bike parts. Oh, that's much better. Okay. And put this cap on it. Snug that down. Now the cap says all work and no play is no good at all. And it just goes around a little circle. No work and no play is no good at all. No work and no play is no good at all. And I kind of agree with that. Ain't no fun at all. Alright. Make sure it's down good and snug. Don't want any play in those bearings. That's one place where no play is good. Is in them there bearings. Ah, that's good. Okay, let's get that good and straight on there. Yep, just my eyeball. Get my butt out of the camera. Now, I've gained 20 pounds over the winter. And I'm really looking forward to getting out and burning some of these calories. Yeah, that's good and tight. Okay, let me come around the other side. Use my butt. Stuck that one. And snug that one. Make sure the cap's in good and tight. Ah, that looks beautiful. One more yet. I said oriented. There we go. Now get these handlebars on there good and straight. I want them up and back a little bit. Oh, those bar ends drive me nuts. That's okay. She likes it like that. And if mama ain't happy, ain't nobody happy. That's good right there. Right there. Right there. Like I said, I used to do a fair amount of wrenching on bikes. I built my bike. I've done a lot of work on this bike, as much as my wife will let me. So, hopefully she likes this. If not, I can always change it back. I never did like that stem sticking up like that. I couldn't bring it up any further without changing the cables, and that's something that she definitely wasn't into. Now, our bikes do not have kickstands. I don't like kickstands. They can come down at a most inopportune moment, and next thing you know, you're pogoing. Okay, brakes look good. Front brake looks good. Rear brake looks good. They're centered. They feel pretty good. Well, as far as my wife likes them. But anyway, that's it. Got a fancy new stem on it. Bikes are ready to rock and roll. So when we have a nice day, we're going to hit the trail. Check this and make sure it's tight one more time. Well, got a little bit of a turn out of it. Snap! Alright, what do you think? Think she's going to like it? You think she's going to notice? I don't know. That's the mess I took off of it. I never liked that. But she wanted me to bring it up some. So let's see if I can hold that on there. It's a little bit higher. And doesn't look any closer. Just a little bit higher. Looks like she got enough cable for it. I can always bring it down some if she doesn't like it. That's the beauty of it. It's adjustable. I can adjust it right at that angle there. So we'll see how she likes that. Oh, you know, I can put some of the spacers on top, but it's not really that much higher. I think it looks a lot better. Anyway, that's it. Bikes are ready.